Come on, Grace. Grab the wall. There you go. Hold on tight. Good.
That's a long stretch.
Bring that left foot up a little bit more, Gracie. Bring it up hard. There you go. Do the right foot then. Good.
Can I get you guys to watch from over there? Because this is where everybody passes through. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. That's all right. Hi. How's it going? Good. You're just going to try it?
Try to put on a rock, Gracie. Grab the wall if you can. You're going for that rock that has yellow tape hanging off. There you go. Get your feet on the rocks now. Let's get your left hand over and up.
Come on, Grace. You got this. You got this, Gracie. Grab on, Grace. Grab on. Now get your feet adjusted. Get your feet adjusted. Going to second floor. Come on, Gracie, grab the wall now. You can do it. Good job. Now get your feet adjusted. Get your feet adjusted. Take your right foot. Get it on the rock. Right foot. That's your left. Use your right. There you go. Good. Good. Good girl. There. Good job. Now you're getting it. Good job. There it is, right there. Good. Good job, Gracie Ann. Great job. Watch where your hands are going now. Can you bring that right foot up? There you go. Bring the right foot up. Scrunch in. Now get your feet back adjusted. You gotta get your feet adjusted, otherwise you can't go no higher. Get your feet adjusted. Good. There, yep. Now bring your feet up. Now concentrate on your feet. There. Hey Gracie, there's that hook right in front of your foot for your foot. See where the orange sticker is? Get your foot on that one. Good. Now push, go straight up with it now. You're doing good. You're doing great. Good job. There you go. Great job. Great job. Keep it. Hold on now. Good. Now grab it again. There. Good. Straight up. There you go. Good reach. Good reach. Good. Oh, come on now. Grab that wall. Grab the wall. Pull back. Pull yourself back. There you go. Readjust. Readjust. Good. Readjust. Great job. Great job. You're doing awesome. Keep going now. Up. Pay attention to your footholds. There you go. Yay! Yay! Now I'm going to jump on you and ride you down, okay? Bye-bye. Good job, Gracie Ann.